people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk about credit cards that you can get without a hard pull. And I also want to tell you about easy credit cards that you can get, but you're going to get a hard pull on your credit reports. So let's jump right on in. So I always tell you guys about the easy credit cards that you guys can get. And I mean, when I say easy, when you don't have any credit, maybe you messed up before, these are the easy credit cards that you guys can get. So the first credit card that I want to tell you guys about is Capital One. So when it comes down to the Capital One, they'll allow you to have 4 credit cards with them. So when they allow you to have 4 credit cards with them, that means it has to be 2 personal and 2 business. You can't get 4 personal or 4 business. It has to be 2 and 2. So when I tell you guys to get the easy credit cards, I want you guys to get the Quicksilver with them. It's the easy credit card, and then the Platinum, you guys. But when you apply for either of those credit cards, you're going to get a hard pull. So you're going to get a hard pull for those. Somebody asked me, you know, which credit cards would be hard pulls, which one would be soft. I'm going to definitely break that down. So with Capital One, you're going to get the hard pull. Another easy credit card that you guys can actually apply for is called Credit One Bank. So with Credit One Bank, it's such an easy credit card that you guys can get. I mean, even if you file bankruptcy, a year outside of bankruptcy, well, not a year, a month outside of bankruptcy, you'll be able to get this credit card. So definitely sign up for the Credit One Bank. Now, the last credit card that I'm going to tell you about, guys, about, because it's going to lead into the soft pull credit cards, and these are just the easy credit cards that you guys can get. It's called the Victoria's Secret credit card. So right after this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the Victoria's Secret credit card without them checking your credit reports, without them looking at your scores, and without them giving you that hard pull. So this is going to be one of those soft pull credit cards where they just want to verify your identity. So I have the trick that you have to do. It's actually called the shopping cart trick, you guys. I have the trick that you guys will actually do so that you guys can get these credit cards. So when it come down to getting the shopping cart trick credit cards, you got Victoria's Secrets that you can do. You have Express that you can actually do. You have the Overstock credit card. You have the Good Sam credit card that you guys can do. And you have the Venus credit cards. So after you try to do the trick, or if you need help trying to do the trick, say if you're trying to do the trick, it's not working for you after this video, check it out. Go ahead and look it down in the description. I have a link that you can actually fill out on most of my videos too, as long as they're newer. I have the link that you can fill out where I can try to see if I can do the trick for you. And when I try to see if I can do the trick for you, then at that point too, you'll know, okay, if the trick is working, and if it's working for you, I'm actually able to get you those credit cards. So definitely go ahead and look down in the description, and then you can see you can see the link where I can actually try to do the trick for you. But keep this in mind, you guys. When you guys apply for different credit cards, you definitely want to get that hard pull, because that's normally what it is when it comes down to credit. Now, I told you guys too, you guys can do when you guys try to do like the shopping cart trick credit cards, you definitely want to opt in to Factor Trust, and you want to do the pre-screen opt out. You want to opt in though. You want to go to both of those websites and put your information in. Somebody asked me too, well, Rickita, you're putting your full social into Factor Trust. Is that going to be a hard pull? No, that's not a hard pull, because those are actually the credit bureaus. Only thing you're telling them to do is, hey, tell these companies that I want to get a credit card. So it's not going to be a hard pull at all. They're not going to check your credit at all. They are the credit bureau. You know, they are the credit company. Only thing is you're authorizing them to tell the other credit card companies that you want to get credit with them. So even the companies, all the companies that I told you guys about, so like the Capital One, Quicksilver, and Platinum, if you go ahead and do that pre-screen opt-in, right, you go ahead and opt in and you do the Factor Trust, you're going to get so many letters in the mail letting you know, hey, you've been pre-approved for this credit card, that credit card. One of the credit cards that's going to be there is Capital One, you guys. So if you want to try to get that Capital One credit card and you don't want them to look too hard at your credit, then I suggest that you go ahead and do that Factor Trust and you opt in, you guys, and you're going to get so many letters in the mail. Wait till you get the letters in the mail for Capital One. Credit One Bank is also going to send you letters in the mail. You're going to have Mission Lane, that's another credit card, send you offers in the mail, and it's going to go on and on. You got Indigo also. You have the First Premier that's going to send you letters in the mail. You got the Fortiva credit card. It's so many credit cards, you guys, that's going to send you so many offers in the mail. And when I say send you offers, a lot of times too, these credit cards will approve you for $1,000, $1,500, $2,000, sometimes even just $500. But if you don't have any credit cards, and I always tell people to have 4 credit cards, then this may be a great route that you may have to take so that you can have credit cards, you guys. And if you ever have any questions on any of these credit cards, don't forget, go ahead and drop it down in the comments, and I should be able to answer those questions for you. But keep this in mind, you guys. I cannot guarantee if it's going to be a soft pull or hard pull. Everybody's situation is different. You may do it wrong to the point it may be a hard pull. But if you want to get a lot of offers in the mail because your credit is just not the best, then I suggest you do the Factor Trust and the pre-screen opt out. I want you to opt into both of these companies, and you're going to get so many offers in the mail because now you're telling all the credit bureaus, hey, tell them I want some credit cards, and trust me, they're going to come like crazy. They're going to even offer you different loans, even auto loans, personal loans. But keep this in mind too, a lot of this is for high-risk clients in terms of these clients, they don't have the best credit at all, so you know the interest rate will be higher. But start off with those 4 credit cards, sit on those 4 credit cards, get your 2 installment accounts with Kickoff and Self Lender. These are 2 easy accounts that you guys can get. Go ahead and look down in the description. I should have them there. Go ahead and sign up for those accounts, and then you'll see that your credit score really rise up so much that you can get regular credit cards with high limits. And if you ever have any questions, go ahead and call or text me. My phone number is 833 Rickita, and make sure that you're texting score to 21,000 to be a part of my texting club. And I'm going to actually send you a link where you can be a part of my $100 Cash App giveaway every first of the month. So I'll talk to you guys later. Stick around. Right after this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get that Victoria's Secret credit card without them actually checking your credit. Do is, if you want to try my trick, I want you to opt into Factor Trust. So to opt into Factor Trust, you have to go ahead and click here. So this is the website. I'll have it down in the description. I want you to opt into Factor Trust. So when you opt into Factor Trust, all you're doing is telling them, hey, I want to get credit card offers, and you have to apply. You have to actually give them your name, your address, your social security number, your date of birth. They're a credit bureau, so they're similar to, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. Those are the 3 major ones. But go ahead and click submit. After you click submit, then you want to go ahead and enter that information that I told you that you'll have to submit. Go ahead and submit the information and click confirm. Now, when you submit this, remember, you're telling them I want offers, so be prepared to get a lot of offers in the mail. But that's good because remember, you're trying to build your credit score up, and for you to build your credit score up, you need at least 4 credit cards. Now, let me show you what you can do after you actually opt in. After you opt in, then you have a chance of getting approved for credit cards without them actually checking your credit score. So let's go ahead and go to victoriassecrets.com because that's an easy website where you can just test and see if you can do the opt-in. You don't have to get the credit cards, but you can see if you get the pop-up saying you're pre-approved without them checking your credit scores and without them actually give you that hard inquiry. So let's go to victoriassecrets.com. So after we go to victoriassecrets.com, I want you to put $250 worth of items in your cart. I already have items in my cart because I did not clear my cookies. So if you try this trick and it's not working for you, I want you to clear your cookies. I want you to clear your cookies, and I want you to go into Incognito Mode. And if you want me to go through that, let me just run through it really quickly. You don't have to ask. I'll just do it. Let's go ahead and click the 3 dots here at the top. So it's 3 dots at the top, and go to Settings. After you go to Settings, I want you to put Pop into the box. And I'm going to kind of go fast because I don't want to, if you already know this, I don't want to, pull you through it. But I want you to go ahead and click here where you see it's highlighted with the pop. Go ahead and click there, scroll to the bottom, and you want to make sure that you click pop here, and then you allow pop-ups. You make sure that it says allowed. So make sure it says allowed on your computer. Go ahead and click enter again on pop. Let's go ahead and just put pop in again. I want you to go to clear browsing data. That's your cookies. That's when they track you. They know where you've been. So far they say I've been to 169 sites. I downloaded 10 items. Like, they know too much, right? So I want you to clear your data. So after you clear your data, they're not going to have this information anymore. So I want you to go to the Victoria's Secrets website, but I want you to do it in an incognito mode. I'm able to do it without incognito, but I want you to see what it looks like to do it in incognito. And this is actually called the shopping cart trick, what we're going to be doing. So I want you to put Victoria's Secrets here, click submit, click enter, and I want you to put that $200 to $250 worth of items in your cart. So I like to just go ahead and hover over sleep and go to cami sets. But again, it can be any $200 to $250 that you want to go ahead and pick the items. You can pick them yourself. You don't have to go ahead and follow these items, but I suggest you follow them, but you don't have to. And you can always rewind, slow it down, or whatever it takes so that you can go ahead and get this trick to work for you. So I like to click the small, and I like to get 4 of them. And so I get the same items. I don't like to go ahead and get different items. I think it's just too much work and it's not necessary. So I want to add this to my bag. Now I want to click checkout. Now, as you can see here, the items is actually only $198, but with taxes, it's going to put me over that $200 mark. So I'm not concerned about it. So I'm going to click checkout. After you click checkout, you want to check out as a guest. So go ahead and click checkout as a guest. Now, I want you to go ahead and type your information in, that same information that you put into Factor Trust. I want you to put your first and last name here, your address here. I want you to put your phone number and your email address in. And the only reason why you want to put that same exact information, that's because when the Factor Trust sent your information over to these credit card companies, the only thing that they gave them was your name, your address, your phone number, and your email address so that they can mail you stuff, they can email you things, you can get all these different offers, right? So put that same information in here, but I'm going to type this information in of the client that I have. So remember, you want to make sure that this is that same information. If you do not put the information in correct, then they're not going to go ahead and give you that pop-up that I'm going to show you in a second. So I'm just typing in all the information that you will have to put in so that you can get that pop-up. And keep this in mind too. There's over 60 different credit cards that allow you to get credit cards without them checking your credit score. So go ahead, if you get approved for this one, if you get the pop-up, I want you to get the shopping cart trick guide in the description where you can see those 60 different credit cards. So I have all of the information put in. So I just want to verify that everything is correct so we can get the pop-up. So far, everything is correct. I want to click continue to delivery. So after you click continue to delivery, this is the pop-up that you're going to get. It's going to say, congratulations, you're pre-approved for the Victoria's Secret credit card. And this is the pop-up for all of the companies. You should get the same exact pop-up saying that you're pre-approved. Now, they're asking you to pick which credit card you want to get. So I always like to get the pink. If you watch this plenty of times because you're trying to master this trick, then you know I love the pink card. So I'm going to click accept now. And what they're going to ask you for is I want you to put your date of birth here, your last 4 digits of your social twice, and they want you to go ahead and check this box here and click finish, submit for review. So that is what they want you to put here. And remember, after you go ahead and put this information in, they're going to let you know, congratulations, you're pre-approved for $500. You're pre-approved for $1,000. Now, I don't suggest that you actually buy the things on this. I don't suggest that you go ahead and get it. What I would do is I would just exit out. So I would click that X right there. And after they tell you how much you're approved for, they're going to send you that card in the mail. So you can go ahead and look at my guide down in the description. It's called the Shopping Cart Trick Guide. And you'll be able to get those same credit cards that's on that guide. And remember, they're not going to be checking your credit score and they're not going to be pulling your credit reports, giving you that hard inquiry. But if you have problems with hard inquiries, then go ahead and look down in the description. I have the hard inquiry removal guide also, where you can go ahead and remove inquiries from your credit reports. But yes, guys, I taught you guys the trick. So now I want you just to implement it. And remember, you want to opt into Factor Trust. After you opt into Factor Trust, it's going to be so many different offers coming in the mail. And now they're going to tell these different companies that you want to get the credit card, which is going to make it easier for you to be able to get them. So if you have any questions, go ahead and call or text me. My phone number is 833-Rickita. And remember, I'm always here for you. So you can always call or text me. You're my assistants. We're definitely here for you. And if you want me to try to see if I can do this trick for you, I also have a section in the description that says, click here if you want me to try to do the trick for you. And usually that trick can be done within 24 hours so I can see if I can get you pre-approved. If you have any questions, like I said, call or text me. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment with your Cash App so you can be entered into my monthly drawing.